Hi guys.
Hi there, guys.
Welcome back to our channel.
Silver Fanatic.
Yes, we're back, guys.
It's been a long time. We just have some shocking news,
Yes.
guys. Yeah, it's about the
going
US
down.
dollar.
It's going down.
US dollar, yeah. BRICS is planning, it's still on its plan to de-dollarize
The US
the
dollar.
US dollar. It's still in 2024 as they will hold a meeting in Moscow.
Yeah, they're busy. They're gonna on the 14th of May.
I think in Moscow, in Russia. So Moscow is the capital city of Russia. So the meeting will be held there on the 14th. So to discuss the BRICS currency.
Yeah.
As you know, we've mentioned that in
Before.
our past videos that BRICS currency it's coming. And another shocking thing, guys, it's countries like
Nigeria,
yes.
Ghana. I think there's Cameroon.
Yeah,
Cameroon.
those countries, guys, are taking the gold from the US back to their own countries.
Yes.
So I don't know what that means. It is really a shocking thing. I've never knew that the US is holding other countries' gold. I thought it was all their gold. It was first to us.
That comes to where we were when we were showing the total, which country has the most gold. Remember, there was a question mark on there if US is the number one
holder. Yes, you're right when you say speculating.
We were speculating.
We were. Yeah.
So I don't know if it's their gold or the news are coming out now.
News are coming out, guys, as these countries are requesting for their gold, taking it back to their own countries. So I think these countries, some of them belongs to BRICS.
Obvious.
So I think this currency BRICS will be gold backed.
Yes.
So maybe that's why these countries want their gold back.
Yes.
So they can be part of BRICS. Because it looks like whoever owns most gold
it's gonna run the world.
Will be the world currency. USA, I don't know whether it'll still be a world currency. Leave it on a comment below. Tell us what you think.
If there's I think there's even more that they haven't disclosed.
They have not disclosed, yes, that they also want their gold back to their own countries. That was really a shocking news, guys. We were just shocked by that. That US is not holding the gold that is held at the US is not all their gold.
We're not saying the US don't have gold. They do have gold, but there's we don't know if it's theirs. The one that they say they're leading, we're not saying that.
Yeah.
That's why the price of gold is rising now.
It's because of this.
There's a war, and the war it's including the gold.
Yeah, because now if the US wants to hold more gold, they'll have to go dig. They need to dig more gold out of the ground. I don't know how they're gonna really bring back the number of gold that these countries are gonna take from them. So I think, guys, we are just in a financial war.
Exactly.
At this point, this is how we are viewing it. It's just a financial war. As Nigeria and India have
formed a partnership.
Yes, they formed a partnership to ditch the US dollar.
Yes.
In case when they are trading,
they will trade with their currencies.
They can use their own currency, guys. So
it's going bad for US. I don't know.
I also don't know. It's really bad, but you can just tell us on the comment below that how do you view this thing? How do you view what's really happening now, and whether is it the East or the West that is winning at this point? Because it's uncertain and unclear at this time.
Or it looks like the West is losing, but they gonna pull a rug or something. We don't know. Someone's gonna pull someone's rug. We don't know. We really don't know. But they're still planning to take down the dollar. Yeah,
that's the initial plan. BRICS, guys, be held. We know we will. Yeah, from the 14th. Whether
after
they will introduce or they still planning.
Yeah,
but for sure we know that it's going to be gold backed
Yes.
with the moves that these countries are making.
Yeah.
Yeah, guys.
They're trading with each other with their currencies backed by gold.
It will be backed by gold, guys. Yeah. So just leave it on a comment below. What do you think and how? What's your take? Did you knew that US is not holding their own gold? The gold that they hold is not all their gold. Because that really shocked us. Yeah. Okay, I think today's video was just about that, guys. A short one, quick short one. Updates.
We can't let this go. We need you to update about it. We're only gonna come when we have like news.
Major news.
Yeah, to share.
Because I think now we'll be talking one and the same thing. Because we mentioned on many of our videos AI and so forth, BRICS, financial war. So we mentioned tech. But the only thing you can just say, stack as wide as an ocean, as oceans oalways says.
Yeah.
Stack as wide as the ocean, guys. Prepare for the unknown future. We mentioned that as well. Yeah, guys, we made a lot of these videos. We just don't wanna keep on repeating one and the same thing.
Because it's just one and the same thing.
Yeah.
Some of them are coming to pass.
They are, guys. But yeah, we'll keep you all informed if we hear anything else. Yeah.
Yes.
And Shell.
Yeah.
Shell, it looks like it's leaving South Africa.
I think, yeah.
Yeah, I don't know. We'll talk more about that
on the next
maybe
video.
on the coming videos.
Yeah.
Okay, guys.
Okay. Thanks.
All right.
Bye.
Bye.